Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have something a little different here for you, from me anyhow, a mystery painting. This is only the second mystery painting I have ever purchased because, well, I don't clearly love mystery paintings. And I would never buy a mystery painting that I didn't know exactly what it was and love the image. So there's that as well. Anyhow, with that being said, they finally did what I thought they would do at some point in time, and that was to make a Chuck Pinson into a mystery. All right, so here it is. Now, I am a part of the mystery group on Facebook and kind of know what this is. So if you don't want to know anything else about this, I suggest you not watch, because I'm going to talk about it and I'm going to tell you what I think it is and what the people are saying it is and why I got it. So spoiler here, if you don't want to know anything else, don't watch the rest of this video. Okay? So anyhow, I knew right off the bat that it was a Chuck Pinson and it is a winter. There are not a lot of winter paintings. He has some. He has a handful of them, but there's not quite as many. And a lot of his winter paintings have already been turned into diamond paintings. So we're looking at a smaller handful of options. The people who post things in the mystery group are really, really pretty good. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they look at these paintings and go, oh yeah, it's this. I can't do it. I can't do it. Anyhow, I'm glad that they do. So when I looked in the mystery group and I learned that this was, we believe anyhow, it is Sledding into Town. All right, Sledding into Town was first done by Dreamer Designs years ago, when Dreamer Designs had Chuck Pinson. And now we have it here. Okay, so I got it. Now, am I excited to work on a mystery diamond painting? Not really. I don't see myself rushing to do it. And if I do, I didn't know they came with the little cards. And if I do it, it will be very slow going and probably just, peck at a little part at a time, because I think it'll drive me crazy. Anyhow, I didn't realize you got a little card with them, the Treasure Quest cards. Another bronze, of course. It just says Mystery Kit, Winter, and Chuck Pinson. And it's big. Of course it's big. It's a 70 by 93. Why wouldn't it be? These do come with a little card about mysteries. Watching them come to life is fun. You're working on a collector's piece. Now here's your reminders. To help preserve the element of surprise for others, we would sincerely appreciate if you do not post any spoilers or photos of these kits in the VIP group. However, you are more than welcome to post on your own social media channels if you would like. Hello, this is my social media channel. Once again, we hope you enjoy the distinctive experience as it unravels before your eyes. Okay, so like I said, it's Sledding into Town. You can look it up. I'm going to look at the painting and see if I can see anything with my own eyes here that makes me, believe that that's what it is. But that's what they're saying, folks. Okay, Toolkit. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. I believe this is still putty. I hear that they're changing from putty to white wax. I don't know why exactly. I actually like the putty. I'm glad I have extra putty. I've said it many times. I use the putty for my rhinestones. So here's a multi-placer, some pink wax, and we have another little sampling of putty. So I'll be keeping my putties for my rhinestone special drill projects. Actually, you know what I have found, even if you have your putty out far enough in this little pen here, you can use this pen to pick up like the special drills, some of the larger ones. You can actually pick them up with this pretty well. So I like it. Okay, there's our toolkit. Here's our little envelope with our goodies inside. I have no idea about colors or anything on this. all the information here, how to diamond paint, tips, tricks, social medias, blah, blah, blah. I do have a code. It is 10 off Mindy, $10 off your first purchase from Diamond Art Club. And every once in a while, I do have a new purchaser and I get a couple dollars. So thank you for doing that. Remember, you can peel these off, put them in your logbook. Here's your picture, okay? No picture. I would take a picture myself. Oh, yeah, here we go. So all of our symbols in here are in black and white. Of course they are. But we do have special drills listed here at the bottom. We have 2 ABs. Oh, okay. I don't know why it's in black and white, because they give you all of, well, because the symbols are black, that's why. But you have all the numbers here, all of the DMC codes. We have 2 ABs, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust. So it's kind of giving me anxiety just looking at that part. I'm telling you, I'm really not a mystery fan, but you know, I talked about this in a couple of my lives and things like that, and I'm like, do I get it? Even though I don't love the mystery paintings, do I get it? Do I get it? I have all of the Chuck Pinson paintings. Why stop now? Why stop now? I mean, don't ruin a perfect record, right? All right. So it has their soft back canvas, their pinked edges, the poured glue. And okay, here's where I'm like, okay, this would get even, I'm just being honest, folks, being honest. I've already noticed this has the pink lines. Okay, my first mystery painting I bought, I don't think has all of these colors on the canvas. They switched to that. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh. Let's just say brown and blue. That's a brown and blue. Okay. So they switched to using these colors in the background. So, and that makes it even more confusing. And I'll show you what I mean. So for example, right here, we have this little, whatever that thing is. And there it is with a tan and a darker gold and then black and white. Now, they're all different colors, but they're all the same color drill, okay? So for example, that is probably a green? No, I don't know, 898. I don't know what 898 is. Maybe let's call it brown. Let's say it's brown. They're all going to be brown drills, but they're all different symbols. Now that messes with my brain. Okay, that messes with my brain. I am so used to looking at my symbol color, and I use that as I'm diamond painting. Oh, look at this one, these H's. They have a light background, a dark gray background, a pink background, the gold background, but they're all going to be the same color drill. Yeah, it just messes with my brain. So, like I said, it will be a very slow and tedious process when I do that, when I work on any of this. Yeah. Anyhow, let's look at it and see what we see. Of course, here's our legend. Everything's in black and white, as you can see, all black and white, black and white. And I think that they did that to make it less obvious when you look at the painting what it is. I don't know. That's the only rationale I can think of. Then we also have Diamond Art Club written across the thing. It's all to block the image, but it just messes with my brain. It messes with my brain. And then we've got the pink lines on here for the perforated paper. That's another distraction to my brain. So anyhow, it just looks to me like a bunch of dots and colors and pink and blue and Diamond Art Club. Okay, look at here. If we look here, what is that? What is this? This is one distinctive piece here. And maybe it's only distinctive because of the colors they use. Maybe that doesn't even really look like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, I'm stepping back and I'm looking and I'm like, I see like something there. I don't know what that would be. I told a friend earlier, I've never been good at like finding things in like those magic eye paintings or anything like that, or things that are, you know, supposed to be one thing, but if you look at it a different way, it's something. I'm never very good at those things. So I don't see anything there. I'm stepping back. I'm looking at a distance. I don't see it. I don't see it. Do you see it? I don't. I don't see it. As far as finding ABs and fairy dust on here, I don't know if I'll be able to, because there's nothing to help me locate them as far as this is the color. Look for a color. That's how I normally find ABs, and fairy dust is look for this color that it's supposed to be. But on here, I'm not going to be able to do that. Anyhow, let's look at the drills and see what they are. There's our canvas. All right. Mystery kit, winter. A lot of pretty blues in this. So now that I have seen the drills here, or I will have seen the drills, see all the colors, I'm going to go and look at, you know, what we think it is and see if it goes ding ding in my brain, you know. Oh yeah, yeah, okay. So a couple of 159 blues. 794 has 3, and we're getting darker. 3807. 3840 has 2. 935 has 2. So there's green in it. Okay, it's not all going to be winter colors. There's a little bit of green. Some pine trees maybe or something. There's another blue. 934 is a deep green. 414 is a kind of like a medium gray. 793, another pretty blue. So there are tons and tons of blues. So it's going to be a predominantly blue painting, right? And there's more. 793. Then we have some browns, kind of like an olive color there. Another brown. 415 is a very light gray. Almost looks blue, and I bet you it's kind of going to blend with the blues and look even more blue. Wow. Okay, we got 2 bags of this taupe AB. All right, taupe. 2 bags. Well, they want a cat. This is kind of light purple color. 930, another gray. 160, 2 bags, another blue. Couple 6030s, brown, 6032. You know, they made more colors. The 6000s are colors that they made because they didn't have enough shades. They didn't have enough brown shades. Okay. brown, I don't know. Oh, here's our first fairy dust, and it is a blue. All right, pretty blue. 840 brown. More green. Now we got a dark blue. 158 is a dark blue. 939 is a super dark blue. 792 is a dark blue. 813, another blue. More tans and browns. Tans and browns. Tans and browns. All right. What do we get here? Okay, here's some more fairy dusts here. Little bag of yellow, pale yellow, and a bag of, I don't know, creamy brown. We'll call it creamy brown. Here's our other AB, which is a pink, light pink. And our last fairy dust is another brown. So we got brown, brown, yellow, blue fairy dust. All right. Here's all the rest of our little bits and bobs and pieces. I honestly don't know if I'll be able to find these. Like I said, my brain just doesn't function that way, and it is going to be real. You see, it's really hard. This is just an equal sign. And having no basis, okay, I found some, they're down here, but having no basis as to where I would look, you know, or where I would look for yellow, it's very hard to find them on the painting. But it is down here. So my guess is, I don't know, that this is snow maybe, and there's yellow in it. I'm just guessing. What color is the tan? The tan is a little N. I wonder if that's down here too. I see equal signs in here. See, it's next to impossible to find them with no help from color on the canvas to look for them. What was that blue? The blue fairy dust was 157. It's slashes, double slashes. Yeah, it's super hard to find them when you have no idea where to look. No hints. Oh, there's some here. Do. Okay. Is that sky then? I'm going to think these are sky, clouds, possibly. I don't know. All right. I'm not going to look for any more because, like I said, there's no way to really find them except by luck. You just to get lucky and you find a symbol, right? So the K was, what was K? What was the first AB color? Pink. Taupe. Taupe. I don't know where to find any taupe. I got a cat next to me. Okay, lay there and be good. Don't jump on me. But where to look for those? No idea. All right, well, let me know your thoughts, okay? Have you done a mystery painting? If you have, did you like it? Did you do one and decided you never wanted to do another one? I mean, let me know your thoughts. I've got it now. I can sort of see like stuff in there, like maybe building, like that almost looks like a tower there and some buildings maybe. I don't know. All right. Well, that's my take on it. I wanted to show you guys and give you my thoughts on it. And let you know that I'm just going to maybe tackle it one day, just kit it up and maybe just peck at a corner or something. See if I can do some of it. I don't know. It certainly will not be a project that I work on like steadily. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not going to just keep working on it. I'll just peck at it a little bit maybe. We'll see. All right. Please hit the like button. It's really helping out my channel a lot. Sharing videos is helping a lot. Getting new subscribers. Thank you very much. YouTube loves that kind of stuff. And if you're new, think of subscribing. Check out other things on my channel, my crochet, my yarn videos, my book talks, all of those things, discussions, lots of stuff to look at. All right. So until next time, have a great day, everybody. And I just wanted to look at this and show you, talk about it, give you my ideas. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys. Okay, I came back for a quick little recap here because I went and looked at the painting. And okay, so this is their church. That's the big tower from the church. And that's what I thought I was seeing was a tower. And this is like one of the little houses in the town. So this is the town. All right. Over here, this is a tree. That's a pine tree. And this is like fencing. And then there's a tree that runs up there. Okay, so you can kind of see that. This is some kids on an inner tube over here. They're a big tube tire thing. They're sledding down the hill on that. And you can almost, there's a dog here. I saw him earlier. Hang on. There's a dog right in here. Here he is. Here's the dog. He's hard to see, but like this is his head. His tail goes this way. This is dog. Okay. So you can start to see some things. Tree, that's trees. And then that blue, all that blue is going to go up there in the sky because the sky is all blues and almost purpley, although there's really not any purples here, just lots of different shades of blue. But when you look at the painting and then you come back and you look at this, I think this is like, there might be a fence here, something like that. There's a fence that runs through here. And then the kids are sliding down this hill going this way into the town. But you can start to see some things on this. Like I said, I'm not good at it, but after I looked at the painting, and look there's like a kid right here, I think. Something's right here, another kid or something. Anyhow, I just thought I'd share some observations I made as I was putting it all away. All right.